There. Very good. Hello. And how are you today? Oh, hi. Is that Gunner I see? And who is that there? Marky. Hi, how are you? This story is also for Aiden and Poppy and Cedar. All my friends, Savannah, Emily, Mariah, and Evie, Charlotte, Jojo, Elliot, Justin, Miracle, Ivy, Saul, Josiah, Ellie, Lucy. I have so many friends and so many more. Oh, Decker too. Yes, I know. MJ and Finley. Oh gosh, there's so many. Anyways, all my friends. Whoopsie-daisy. Woohoo! I dropped my camera phone. And now I'm back. Alrighty, so now I would like to read a book for you, and this book is about a penguin that gets having hiccup issues. But first we need to practice having hiccups. Does anybody know what a hiccup sounds like? Have you ever had them? I have. It goes like this. Can you do that? That's how it sounds. It's like, your turn. Good. Okay, because you may have to say it with this book. Now, I'll go get the book. It's got a penguin on it. Where could it be? Where is that book? Ah, there it is. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, this looks like it'll be fun. Oh, it looks like the penguin ate something and now he has the hiccups. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, there's hot peppers and chili. I think I see the problem. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. That's us, I guess. Oh, look at everybody's fishing. Oh, penguin life. Can you go? I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that. Can you do it? I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. Can you do it? I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Can you do it? There's the penguins eating chili. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. Can you hiccup? Oh dear, what did I must have messed up on the lipstick again. Oh well. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. That'd be hard. Albert told me to stand on my can you do that? Head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Sure, we'll help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Sounds like a good idea. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? You're going to do it with me? On 3, we have to say boo. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Did you say boo? Say boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Okay, so we're going to say boo after I count to 3. 1, 2, as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, it scared the penguin just a little. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Will I have the hiccups forever? I hope not. That would be terrible. One more time. Shout. You gotta shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was scary. Look. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to say boo again. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Oh no, the taco got the hiccups. Now that was a funny book. Can you say, do you ever get the hiccups? I'll tell you what the cure used to be when I was a kid. I don't know if it still works, but it always worked for me. When I'd get the hiccups, my mother would get, oh, let me see if I can get in my cupboard and I'll show you. She would get the vinegar. Oh, hang on. And she would get a spoon. And she would take the vinegar. Uh-oh. And she would put it in the spoon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The vinegar is very sour. And to cure, oh no. To cure the hiccups, we would, oh no. Now I need to put more, a little bit more because I spilled some. To cure the hiccups. It works every time.